Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily send an email via Salesforce in 2022. So first things first, as you can see, we are at our workspace and we want to send an email to a contact that we already have added in our Salesforce account. So what we want to do, we want to go to contacts, as you can see, and there's the one contact that we actually added in the previous video in this free trial account that everybody can use. So let's go to Andy Smith. As you can see, we have to add an email into his basically next to his name or into his folder. Once we have the email done, we can easily go into the right corner of our screen, which is activity. And there is the second option is email. So from you can see your name or the owner of the account or the one who is logged in and signed into this Salesforce workspace. Then to Andy Smith, subject, let's go with business proposal and write down the test. Now we have to scroll down. We can attach a file in the merge field, create or update template, preview and clear email, pop out to doc view, and basically click to send. As you can see, at the moment it's sent. Let me check. If the email arrived on my other account, one moment please. It's a very cool feature that not every CRM is providing, which is a shame in my opinion. One moment, I have to log in. And at the moment it's not here. It may take a while, so it might take a while, but it's the easiest way how you can compose an email and send it to your contact through Salesforce. Obviously it's going through like different provider of email sender, so it will take a while. And I would love to show you in this video, but I'm trying to keep it around 3 minutes, so not be that long. But anyway, if you have any more questions to Salesforce, how it's done, how we can do other things in Salesforce, please feel free and ask me underneath this video, and I'll try to answer your questions. But as you can see, in January 2022, which is this month, business proposal was sent, so email was sent successfully. Well, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.